Now, this illustration deals with sizing the box based upon the field where there are different size conductors in accordance with our table 314.16b. Now, in the illustration, we see we have a 112-2 AWG cable with ground coming into the box. So we have one ungrounded conductor, hot, one neutral conductor, and one equipment ground. And then we have three number 16 fixture wires, one of them a neutral, one of them an ungrounded conductor, and one an equipment ground. And there's no canopy. Now, based upon this information, we can move to the next illustration and size the box based upon the field area that we just will provide in the calculation in the next illustration. And for